Welcome to the timeless city of Vienna, where history, culture, and elegance blend seamlessly. Join us on an enchanting journey through Vienna's iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and the unique experiences that make it a traveler's delight. Our adventure commences at the magnificent Vienna State Opera, the heart of the city's cultural scene. Stroll through the grandeur of Schönbrunn Palace, where emperors once walked, and savor coffee and pastries at the city's historic cafes. Step into Vienna's historic neighborhoods, where the past is alive in every cobblestone. Explore the charming inner city and witness the architectural marvel of Belvedere Palace. Indulge in the flavors of Vienna's culinary heritage, from crispy schnitzels to the decadent Sachertorte. Vienna's food culture is a journey through the tastes of the Habsburg Empire. Immerse yourself in Vienna's rich cultural tapestry, with world-class museums, art galleries, and the magic of classical concerts. The city's artistic legacy is an experience like no other. Escape to Vienna's natural beauty, whether along the serene Danube River or in the opulent gardens of Schönbrunn Palace. Nature and history coexist in perfect harmony. As the sun sets over Vienna, the city's skyline becomes a canvas of colors, with the Vienna woods in the distance. Join us in celebrating the magic of Vienna, a city that echoes with the melodies of the past and the vibrancy of the present. Whether you're a history buff, a music lover, an art enthusiast, or simply a traveler seeking elegance, Vienna promises an unforgettable journey. Hit that like button, share the elegance with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.